Bahagi din po ng Reconnect si Bella Padilla. Yes! Happy si Bella, hindi Happy Sally. Tumayo ka agad eh. Masaya lang tayo this afternoon. We have the cast of Reconnect. Alright, later on we'll have more photo opportunities. Pero let's proceed. Hello, good afternoon sa inyo. We are revealing the first gift. Are you ready? Okay, let's bring it. Let's reveal the poster in 5, 4, 3, 2. Gusto nyo tumulong, Karina? Gusto nyo matulong? Andrea? Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! O, diba? Exciting. Sa poster pa lang, alam mo na yung vibe eh, no? Pagka, love action yan. Mga ganun, natin sa akin, ha? Alright, maraming salamat. Sean, sa trailer. Ayun. Ano yung inyong mga na-feel, na-vibe doon sa ating official trailer. Kayo ang unang nakapanood nito, ha? Dahil nandito ngayon sa kick-off. Dom, bibigyan na you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dom Correia.
Grabe naman ang baba na ng boses.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is my first movie, so I'm feeling very blessed and very honored to be part with a wonderful cast and directors and staff. So my reaction to the trailer, sobrang dream come true ko ito kasi gusto ko maging part of a movie, an actor, so very blessed. Feeling very blessed today.
Thank you, Dom. Raph, ikaw naman.
Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. My reaction to the trailer is, aww. Noong una, akala ko parang strange liquid.
Makikita mo na may enjoy ng lahat dahil ramdam mo ang diwa ng Pasko.
Thank you, Angel. Calvin.
Ayun, meron naman. Sige, thank you. Yun, ang masasabi ko lang, ako po si Gavin Miranda. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa time niyo. And ang masasabi ko nung mapanood yung trailer kanina, masaya ako na naging parte ako ng isang malaking mensahe na pelikula. Kasi every time na nanonood tayo ng MMFF, medyo nakukulangan tayo sa gustong i-deliver or sa gustong ipahatid ng mga pelikula na pinapanood natin. Pero ito kasing Reconnect, all in one. So lahat ng genres, lahat ng emosyon, matatalakay at makakarelate tayo mga Pilipino kasama ang ating mga pamilya, mga kaibigan. So walang pinipili yung pelikula namin, kaya salamat sa dahil naging parte namin. Yan lang ang masasabi.
Ako naman, ang reaction ko siguro ay dream come true. Napaganda ng ensemble ng cast. I mean, I'm very excited to see this in the big screen. I'm sure all of you guys are also excited na makita tong pelikula.
Cassie?
Of course, thank you to our friends from the press for being here. I hope you guys also enjoyed the trailer as much as we did. And I'm very excited and napaka-heartwarming to watch the trailer, and I'm very excited to see how the characters can reconnect with one another. So, ayun, I hope you guys are also very excited to watch kasi I promise po that you will learn a lot from this movie, and it's very relatable. Nakakahuwa na siya. It's giving you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Baka may masabi ka bang marami masyado. Zoren. Si Zoren. Let's give the mic to Zoren, please.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for coming here, and salamat din sa Reality for having us to be part of this movie. Reaction ko sa trailer, you know, as an actor, you do scenes, pero once na connected na lahat ng mga piyesa, doon mo lang ma-appreciate yung gawa ng kabuuan ng mga artista. So ako na-appreciate ko ngayon yung hirap ng mga artista, you know, para ma-connect mo yung mga schedule ng mga to namin. Napakahirap, but with patience, of course, and cooperation of everyone, natapos din yung pelikula. And judging by the trailer, very promising. So, yan po, maraming salamat at sana tangkilikin po natin ang Metro Manila Film Festival this year.
Sa Reconnect, you can see how beautiful the cast is. This is my first venture as a producer, so more than just acting, it was an amazing learning experience para sa akin. And to be able, actually tama, ngayon na kami nagkita-kita ulit, but behind the scenes, like, inayos yung schedule ng bawat artista, yung promo, it was a great, stressful experience, but you know, kilala mo akong MJ, I'm always up for a challenge, and 20 years na po ako sa industriya. I'm always looking for something new. But again, marami pong emotions ang mararamdaman ng audience through this movie. It's a very relevant because it's about anong mangyayari sa ating lahat kapag nawalan tayo ng internet 10 days before Christmas. Diba? Alam natin gano'ng kahalaga ang internet ngayon sa buhay natin ng Wi-Fi. That's why it's called Reconnect. Reconnecting with our family members, with our loved ones, with our friends, with our enemies, sabi yung Tito Ro, diba? And reconnecting with yourself. Reconnecting with yourself. I think yan ang pinaka-importante. Diba? We become so busy posting and trying to get validation from our audience. Nakakalimutan natin yung sarili natin and the people around us. So, sana po ay, sa trailer pa lang ang dami ng emotions eh. But I promise you, the movie is amazing. So, sana po mapanood nyo. Sana mapanood nyo lahat ng entries. All the entries are beautiful, lahat ng movies. Pero syempre ho, unahin nyo po ang na.
At dali ng buong pamilya. That's the most important thing.
Pati mga kapitbahay.
Oh, look at the actors. Okay, Direk, meron mo rin gift. Ito, iakit natin yung gift ni Direk. Aba, meron din siyang para sa kanya. Okay. Direk, may gift ka, Direk! Merry Christmas! Ang laki. Alam mo, perfect. Today's December 1st. Yeah, it's the first day of December. It's the perfect kickoff ang Reconnect. Okay. Nabuksan niyo na ang inyong mga regalo. Sino gusto mag-react sa regalong nakuha niya? Who wants to say something? Sa mga nakuha niyong regalo. Jen, ano nakuha mo?
Isang batch box galing kay Charlie. Itong kotse nito ay malaking factor siya dito sa storya namin.
Why? Anong role?
It's a very, very deep, may deep meaning ito.
Okay.
Ito ng Miss Star ng Pasko. So, bakit ito yun?
She did mention that in the trailer. Narinig ko kanina.
Okay.
Ayun, Star ng Pasko. Who else? Coco, yan ang nakuha mo?
Ako nakakuha ako ng guitar pick.
Oo, kasi walang internet eh.
Joke lang. Labo
Gitarista kasi ako.
Okay.
Gitarista ako, sorry.
Okay. Angel, ikaw, ano nakuha mo?
Ako, Instax mini photo slide.
Oh, I want that.
Yeah. Kasi ang role ni Chesney dito, photographer siya. So, bibili mo lang ng Instax para magamit siya.
Una na yun.
Thank you in advance.
Thank you. Tom, ikaw, ano nakuha mo?
Naka-receive ako ng ampaw containing 500.
Uy! Nauna naman yung raffle. Grabe.
Yes.
Swerte.
May connection ko sa movie, sa part ko.
Bakit? Ikaw ba yung bibili ng Noche Buena?
Sa
Noche Buena.
pag-asa ito sa Noche Buena.
Bakit? Ikaw ba ang bibili ng Noche Buena, Dong?
Hindi mabibili nito.
Okay, sige. Raph, ikaw, ano nakuha mo?
Ang nakuha ko is mouse. Ayan.
Bakit mouse ka ba dito?
Pwede din.
Yung mouse kasi yung character namin ni Dom actually is mga IT. Tapos
computer geek?
Yes, tapos nawala ng intern. Pero sana nakuha ko yung 500.
Ikaw na lang namili, di ba? Who else?
Thank you.
Ako naman po, yung justice, I think. Kasi sometimes yung justice, akala natin nasa kamay ng ibang tao. Pero I think realization ko sa perspective ng character ko is nasa atin yung justice. Kailangan lang natin siyang tanggapin kasi minsan or madalas tayong sarate doon sa perspective na tumatalo sa sarili natin para matanggap natin yung inspiration. Yung hope sa justice.
Alright, anybody else? Carmina?
Ako siguro sa pamilyang Crowders, kasi mga vloggers kami dito, vloggers kami. Siguro yung character ko, parang ang takeaway ko dito sa character ko dito, na hindi ibig sabihin magulang ka, at yung feeling mo na ginagawa mo ang lahat para sa pamilya mo ay palaging tama. So you also need to communicate with one another. And when I say communicate, you don't only talk, you also listen. So syempre pamilya kayo, di ba? Pamilya kayo dito. At saka vloggers nga kami. So hindi pwedeng lahat ng gusto ng character ko ay na lang ang masunod. So, pero, yun na nga, like I said, yung realization ng character ko dito, ang ganda kasi na hindi sinasadya, but because nawala yung internet, meron palang ganong klaseng problema na hindi naman ina-acknowledge. And then from there, by accident, na-solve lahat. At hindi lang naman, ang dami ko na sinabi, parang kunento ko na sa inyo. Pero, yun na yun. Yung parang, it doesn't mean na porque pamilya ka, you know everything. Right. So, communication is the key. Not only sa pamilya, but sa boyfriend, girlfriends, sa bilang magkakaibigan, communication is the key.
I agree. You're good? Okay, maraming salamat, Carmina. Thank you, everybody, for sharing it to our cast, for answering the questions. Actually, na-realize ko kanina habang pinapanood ko yung trailer, it's really a snapshot of everybody. Not just you guys, not just us, parang lahat tayo, may ibang living our lives, you know? Walks of life, tapos how we celebrate Christmas, how pinagdadaanan natin as we get closer to Christmas Day. So, it's a good time to watch Reconnect on December 25. Let's ask for our thank yous and final words from our cast. Let's start with Dom.
Yeah, I'm just super excited, super happy to be here, and I invite all of you guys to watch Reconnect, the only Christmas Filipino movie in this MMFF.
So, kanina tinatanong kung bakit kung 500 pesos lang daw yung pang sine.
Hindi na nakamuwas na actor.
Wala akong masabi. So, dito sa Reconnect, hindi lang isang story, pero maraming story.
Yun ay tama. Parang buy one, get
take all.
Take all.
Yes. Tsaka yun, panoorin nyo ang Reconnect dahil kung ano man ang gusto nyo maramdaman ngayong Pasko, mararamdaman nyo.
Ano ba mararamdaman namin, Alexa? Pagmamahal. Kabay.
Tama yun. Kung gusto nyo maramdaman lahat ng emosyon ngayong Pasko, unahin nyo na po ang Reconnect sa December 25 na po. Maraming salamat po.
Angel?
Yes, sana po supportahan at panoorin po natin ang Reconnect this December 25 na po. Siguradong mag-enjoy kayo. Napakaraming storya. For sure, bawat isa meron at meron kayong marirelate dito. Salamat.
Thank you. Calvin muna. Let's go to Calvin.
Ayun, this coming Christmas, it's time for me to watch this Reconnect. No? Para maka-reconnect din kayo sa sarili nyo, sa pamilya nyo. Ito yung perfect time to sit down, relax, and
bond with the family.
Bond with the family. Or that makalaga sa buhay, kasama nyo, para makapag-reflect kayo this Christmas. Madala sa New Year. Yeah.
Thank you, Vance.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ulit. Sana makapanood po kayo ng Reconnect kasi dito din po natin sineselebrate talaga. Sa pelikula, sineselebrate din natin yung yung kabutihan at ng ating Panginoon. Talagang pari.
Thank you, Father.
Talagang pari kasi yung role ko eh. Kaya dito din natututunan ko, hindi ako nakasagot kanina, pero natutunan ko yung hindi lang pagpapatawag sa iba, kundi pagpapatawag sa sarili mo.
Ganda.
Ayun, kaya abangan niyo po si Father Dante sa Reconnect. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Father Vance. Mami. Ay! Aray, kaya mo ako
syempre, manood na kayo ng Reconnect December 25. It's gonna be an amazing Christmas movie, the only Christmas movie this holiday season of MMFF. So, hope you guys enjoy.
Cassie?
If you want to learn more about yourself, you want to get closer with your family, your friends, your loved ones, please panoorin niyo po ang Reconnect because it's time to reconnect with your loved ones. Ayan, Reconnect this December 25. Promise, 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 you will all love it. Thank you so much.
Sorry?
Yeah, and also, kasi ako yung father ng kami, pamilya. So, ang isang ma-advise ko lang sa mga tatay nandiyan is always check your family, not through social media. You have to check them, yung realization, yung reality ng pamilya. Do not judge your daughter because she's in Boracay and then she's smiling sa internet. No, you need to call them and ask, are you okay? Is everything okay?
Was she in Boracay and smiling on the
ano to actually, yung tanong na regalo, yan ang re-regalo ako na isang robot na pwede niya kausapin 24/7.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for coming.
That's it, Ina.
Thank you once again for being here. December 25 na po ang Reconnect. Nasabi na po nila. It's really a nice movie. Tama yun na after watching this film, you want to reconnect with yourself, with your friends, with your family. Yung mga kaaway nila rin, baka gusto nyo na makipag-reconnect sa kanila. But this is a wonderful film. So once again, thank you for getting us and for producing and also for producing napakagandang project. So December 25 na po yan.
Charlie?
Yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Sana po unahin niyo yung Reconnect sa Pasko. Sigurado po kami magpupusog kayo sa emosyon sa pelikulang ito. So yun, Reconnect po December 25.
Live?
Yes po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you all for being here. Sana unahin niyo po yung Reconnect ngayong Pasko kasi ngayong Pasko niyo lang siya mapapanood naman sa Halloween.
Tama naman!
Kasi ibang movies pwede naman din nila panoodin. Kung kailan nila gusto. Reconnect this Christmas. Maraming salamat po.
Tita Glo?
Sa Pasko nito, don't forget, kung 500 lang ang pera nyo, manood na kayo ng Reconnect at makikain na lang kayo sa kapitbahay.
Kakaloka! Direct Jane!
Ang isang hindi pa nababanggit, tungkol sa Reconnect ay surprising din siya. Kasi minsan akala mo pag napag mo yung trailer, andun na lahat.
That's it.
So actually surprising din itong movie na to. Yung mga twist na namin pwede ikwento sa trailer. So I think, parang dito sa mga tao na gusto manood na sila na hindi pa nila alam yung makikita nila. May makita pa sila na hindi nila expect. So, yun. Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat. Sa akin lang.
I'm also excited to see you guys all on the float. Diba? Sa December 19. Exciting. Jet, ikaw na. Wrap it up.
Ayun, again, marami pong salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. Sana po ay supportahan nyo kami. Maganda po lahat ng entries. I think 8 movies. Pero ang masasabi ko po, we are the only Christmas movie. And ang masasabi ko, we are the most relatable and relevant movie. Paglabas nyo po ng sinihan, marami pong emotions, iiyak, tatawa, kikiligin. Everything is here. Marami mga tanong. And this is gonna be a great bonding movie para po sa buong pamilya. So sana po makanood kayo. Again, thank you sa buong cast. Maraming salamat. Everybody did their best. Everybody did their best. Sa lahat po nakatrabaho po behind the camera, maraming salamat. Alam po pinaghirapan natin lahat to. And Reconnect is, meron po kami sa sariling soundtrack. We have our own songs, diba? Ilang songs ba tayo? 8 songs. 8 beautiful music. So that's also isa sa mga dapat abangan. And ayun, let's not forget na this is also the season of giving back. So kung medyo nakaluwag-luwag tayo ng konti or meron tayong nagitabi ng konti dyan, let's also help the next man or the next family. So, ayun, maraming pong salamat sa lahat and Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Gerald. I just want to capture this moment kasi sinabi ko sa akin, it's the first time na nag-gather kayo. Group photo. magkakasama kayo dyan. But, I want you to hold your gifts para masaya yung photo. Di ba? Ano to, may away? Ay, hindi. I love you lang daw. Okay. Ayan, compress and 1, 2, 3, go! Sakto yung music. Ayan, ang pinakamagandang regalo sa lahat ng Reconnect, produced by Reality MM Studios and the Third Floor Studios, the only Christmas movie ngayong 51st Metro Manila Film Festival. Let's have one version with no gifts. Sabi natin yung mga gifts natin, one version. Direct James, sama ka doon. Okay? In cinemas nationwide starting December 25, may we all have a Reconnect Christmas. At yung mga official soundtrack po ng Reconnect is now available on all streaming platforms. Once again, we would like to thank Stratosphere Events Place, our official venue partner for today, and our sponsors, Copico, Asia Brewery, Greenfield, Prestige International, Brilliant Skin Essentials, Beer Base, Tanduay, and Pet Shop. Okay, let's ask Kaya to join. Kaya, please proceed to the stage. Pa-picture tayo.